Dua, tiga. Hey Dimas, good evening. I can see and hear you clearly.
Good evening, Mr. Nova. Thanks for taking the time to meet with me tonight.
No problem at all. Thanks for being right on time. Let's get started. How your evening going so far? Hope the weather's treating you well.
I'm doing good, thanks. It's actually pretty calm here in Bandung tonight. It rained earlier, but now it's just quiet.
I noticed the book behind you. Are you into reading?
Yeah, definitely. I like reading about tech and business strategy. I just finished Digital Transformation by Thomas Sibel last week.
Nice. Did you have any trouble setting up for the call?
Not at all. I tested everything an hour ago just to be sure. I've gotten pretty used to online meetings over the years.
That's great. Did you get a chance to check out our website?
Yes, I did. I really like your recent campaign for the eco-friendly products and how you're expanding into Southeast Asia. Super inspiring.
Cool. Let's jump into the main question. Can you tell me about your background and your experience?
Sure. I've been in digital marketing for 5 years, mainly working on content strategy and SEO. I started at Startup Media, handling their blog, and for the last 3 years, I've been with Tech Solutions as a digital marketing specialist, leading campaigns that boosted our organic traffic by 45% and improved conversion rates by 20%.
What makes you interested in the digital marketing manager role here?
I'm really drawn to how your team uses data to drive decisions and how fast you're growing in Southeast Asia. I think my background in analyzing customer behavior and building localized strategies fits well. Plus, I'm ready to lead a team. It feels like the right next step.
How would you describe your marketing approach?
I go for a mix SEO, content, social page, and other stuff, all tied together with strong audience research. I always start by understanding the audience, then build content across platforms with consistent messaging. I'm also big on testing and tweaking based on performance data.
Tell me about a two campaign you have handled and what you did.
Last year, we launched a B2B product on a tight budget. Our target was decision makers in big companies. I focused on LinkedIn, used thought leadership posts, shared case studies, and hosted a webinar series. Even with limited budget, we beat our lead gen target by 30% by going for quality over quantity.
How do you stay current with trends and tools in digital marketing?
I follow newsletters like Marketing Dive to keep up with LinkedIn thought leaders and attend webinars and conferences. I also try out new tools weekly to see what could work for our strategies.
How do you usually work with a creative and data team?
I like to make sure everyone's aligned on goals and KPIs. I hold regular check ins and I encourage sharing ideas across roles. When content creators understand the data and analysts see the creative process, everything just works better.
What key metrics do you track to measure a campaign success?
I think it depends on the goal, but I usually look at engagement, conversions, cost per acquisition, and ROI. For content, I track time on page and bounce rate, and for SEO, it's organic traffic and keyword ranking. I also pay attention to feedback from sales and customers.
How do you do how do you adapt your marketing to different demographic, especially in a country like Indonesia?
Indonesia is super diverse, so I look at more than just age or income. I consider culture, language, or religion. For instance, Bandung millennials might like English, mixed content on Instagram, while older audiences outside cities prefer full bahasa Indonesia on Facebook or WhatsApp. I think timing around local holidays like Ramadan also matters a lot.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to grow into a digital marketing leader in the Southeast Asian market. I'd love to build a strong team, run creative and data-driven campaigns, and dive deeper into AI-powered marketing. Also, mentoring others and shaping big picture strategies is where I'd like to be.
Okay, thanks for all your thoughtful answer, Dimas. Do you have any question for me?
Oh yeah, yes, I'd love to hear more about your expansion plans in Southeast Asia and how this role fits into that. Also, could you share more about the team I'd be leading?
Great question. We are planning to expand into Thailand and Vietnam in the next 2 years. This role will be key in developing local strategies. You'll be leading a team of 6 to content creator, a social media specialist, and CEO expert, graphic designer, and a data analyst.
That sounds really exciting. Thanks for the info.
We'll be in touch within a week about the next step. Appreciate your time tonight, Dimas.
Thank you, Mr. Noval. I look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you, Dimas.
Yeah.